Well, hello there. I'm Joel Tucker here at Veurink Service Center, and right behind me is your next home on wheels. It's the 2019 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 38W. It has 3 slides, 360 horsepower Cummins engine, ISB 6.7 liter. It's a beautiful machinery that I know you'll love. We'll do a quick walk around the inside, outside, show you all the great features that this has to offer, and let's take a look. Now here we are on the outside of this beautiful Endeavor by Holiday Rambler, a brand new footprint, the 38W. Now, this is in the Azurite exterior color, which is a full body paint by Sickens. It's a fabulous paint job we do at Holiday Rambler. They offer it with the stainless steel package, which gives you the stainless steel trim nut beneath here, the stainless steel handles, and the stainless steel side mirrors. This also does have the under mount lighting as well, a nice blue light that gives you a nice crisp light look at night. As you can tell, we have our doors open here for your pass-through storage. We did option it with a full storage tray on this one here, which is very easy to use. A flip of the switch brings out your storage tray. That we can access all your materials easier than having to duck down in there. And again, push it on in. And you're ready to go. I do want to point out that we use a Holiday Rambler a nice Citadel construction here for your flooring here versus carpeting or wood. Very easy to clean, does not attract mildew or mold. It's very nice material that we do use here. And again, look at all the storage you get down here for all your goodies. Plenty of room. And again, you got your roof ladder in the back here to do your roof maintenance. Some place you can put that right on in there. Let's close these doors up to get a nice look of your coach. Beneath this door here will be a 40-inch exterior TV with soundbar, power awning with LED lights, and frameless windows. Again, this Holiday Rambler has it all. Very nice, sharp-looking coach. From here, we'll walk around the other side and we'll head inside. And on the off-door side, or the driver's side, do you want to show you quick things? We have your power reel holder right here, so it's definitely easier to get this heavy-duty 50-amp power cord in and out with it being a power function. That's one cool item there. And then on this side will be your dump station, and where you have your controls for your outdoor shower, your water pump, your water filter, and of course your Santa flush and city water inlet as well. It's all a nice convenient area right here for you. Well, here we are. We're in the inside of this 38W Endeavor, and what a beautiful coach it is. Just take a look at this with a nutmeg gloss wood cabinetry, with a moonlit interior with the opposing sofas here. It's very, very gorgeous. You'll love this motorhome. Please give me a call at any time. Any questions at 616-965-9623. So as you take a look around here, you'll see plenty of cabinetry around on both sides. This is a opposing slides floor plan with a slide in the bedroom as well. You have inside alone, you have 4 televisions. This one on the off-door side is a motorized system as well with this Bose soundbar. The one directly behind me will be also a nice large TV with its own separate Bose surround system, as well as a nice, beautiful fireplace that kicks out a lot of heat inside on these chilly mornings. And now again, this is your gorgeous porcelain flooring, 12 by 24 pieces, hand-laid porcelain tiles, and it is the front half of this coach will be heated tiles floors as well, which is super nice. We have your 2-person dinette over here we do have 2 of the chairs back under the back bed that will work if when you do pull this table out for more guests. Of course, you have plenty of storage down beneath that as well as above. On your door side kitchen, you have plenty countertop space, extra pulled out with this bad boy here. This does pull for extra storage and extra countertop space. And you have very nice feature this year, recessed induction cooktop here. So again, it won't get hot if you have kids around. Cook up some pasta, some meals here on this gorgeous kitchen. You can do so on this induction cooktop. We have your convection microwave up top here, which is a high point 30-inch microwave convection. Gorgeous tile backsplash here as well to kind of tie everything together. And beneath the induction cooktop, you do have your dishwasher. Definitely a nice feature to have there on any high-end Class A motorhome. So let's put these right back here so you can again get a good idea, good view of how much space you do get in this kitchen, along with your double bowl stainless steel sink and faucet with, again, matching sink covers, with plenty of storage down beneath here as well. And this is actually pretty deep, and it comes with your own wastebasket as well. You got a couple sections here for pantries with pulled out drawers for box goods, canned goods, chips, things like that. Everything you need in a motorhome. And again, your residential refrigerator with a 2,000 watt inverter. So plenty of room there for your milk, your eggs, your bacon. And this does have an ice maker inside here as well. From here, we'll walk back to the master bedroom, your half bath, and your full bath in the back. So let's take a look. So let's head back to the half bath for your guests. If you do have guests staying overnight, they'll want to take a look at this area here for them, with plenty of storage above the toilet with a nice sized window with your blackout shade. Storage just directly above the sink. And you have actually a lot of countertop space there for hair dryers, toothbrushes, soap, things like that, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. And then right behind me is going to be your door to your master bedroom. So let's take a look at that. Open this bad boy up. Gorgeous master bedroom and large bathroom in the back. First thing you'll notice is that you have a nice size storage area right here with a nice LG TV. Some countertop space here to get ready in the morning. You can put up a mirror, do your makeup, get your hair ready, looking good. You need space here for that, and a lot of storage down here with plenty of drawers for all your clothing items. This will be mine, and down here will be all my wife's. So a lot of cool stuff going on there, and his and hers wardrobes. King size bed, which is super nice, and this does articulate. It's on a motor, so if you want to sit up and watch some television, just run this bad boy up as far as you want to go, and you can sit back and relax. And you do have plenty of storage up above as well, and these are deep, deep cupboards. Basically, I can't even fit my whole arm back here, so deep. And again, look at this gorgeous, again, nutmeg wood, super bright, vibrant. I love the feel of this coach. Let's check out the master bath right back here, and right in this cabinet here will be your Whirlpool stackable washer dryer. Can't leave home without it. That we always have clean clothes on the road. And again, this is a large bathroom, enough size for a whole football team back here. Cool feature we did in this floor plan is give you dual sinks, and these are actually nice size sinks too. Nice size there. Here's mirrors, some more storage down below here, and this is lighted, as you can tell. Cool feature. And these are deep cans down below each of these sinks for waste baskets, extra toiletries that you need to store along with you. And you have nice full kitchen drawer glides here for 3 nice drawers. A large shower here with a one-piece shower surrounded with seat. You have a porcelain foot flush toilet, a nice size window for extra light, and then again you have your day-night shades. And more storage back here as well for other toiletry that you might want to bring along with you. Above us, we do have your max vent air fan. This motorhome is equipped with 3 AC units. Again, overall nice size motorhome you'll love for family, for you and your spouse. Before we head on out though, we'll take a look at the front cockpit area. We have a brand new drop down bunk you'll love. So let's go take a look. We're gonna check out the front of this coach. Before we get there, I do want to point out that this sofa is actually a hide-a-bed. If you do have your guest overnight, this actually does pull out to be a nice, comfortable sleeping area for you as well. And the other couch actually has an extra hidden storage feature for games, a couple blankets or 2. You do have some space here for extra storage, which is kind of cool. But the main event, which is brand new for Holiday Rambler and a diesel Class A motorhome, is the front Euro loft, which gives you even more additional sleeping space for those overnight guests. So that pulls down, the lights will kick on, you got a TV down there, you got your extra ladder to get up in there. And again, this is for adults, not only kids, because it does hold the weight, and actually it is not too uncomfortable. Nice spot here for you to catch some Z's. But let's get down from here and show you the other main attraction, which is going to be your cockpit area. So let's get this right back up and out of the way. Quick and easy up and down function there. And then we have your cockpit area with your passenger and your driver's seat here, which is super comfortable. You have your dual monitors, and they actually made this nice oversized monitor this year for your entertainment and for your navigation needs. You got all your controls, and it's very nice and functional for the driver. That way you're focused on the road ahead, and you can still control your temperature gauges, your generator, your front and down shade. You can handle it all right from this area right here. Very nice and convenient. This is a 100-gallon fuel coach, so plenty of fuel for you to get to where you're going. And again, super nice, comfortable, a lot of space in this thing. Again, most diesels you can't sleep up to 6 people. In this coach you can. Again, 360 horsepower, Freightliner chassis, well built unit by Holiday Rambler. I know you'll love it. We take trades, we finance, and we ship nationwide. And again, I'm Joel Tucker at Veurink Service Center, 616-965-9623. Give me a call with any questions. Hope you take care.